Hello everyone! Today I will be unboxing the Facetory 7 Looks subscription box for the month of March. So this subscription has face masks. I believe they're from, I think it's a Korean brand. And comes with 7 masks and also a bonus item. And there are also other subscriptions on there too where you can get more masks or less, so depending on what you want. But the 7 Looks one costs $19.90 per month. But I do have a $15 discount code available that I'll share in the description as well. And let's see. It comes with a pamphlet that tells you what masks you're getting. And also the bonus item of the month. So we can start with that. So the bonus item of the month is a Sandawa Aqua Peeling Gel. So you can use it to put it on your face, and then you can massage it in for 30 seconds until dead skin cells come off, and then rinse it with lukewarm water. So let's check it out. This is what it looks like. Let's open it. Has a seal on it. Okay. Smells pretty good. Has more of that herbal smell to it. It's like a clear milky texture. So you rub this on your face for 30 seconds and then wash it off with lukewarm water. Okay. Let's go on to the masks now. Okay, so the 7th mask, we can go backwards, is a Coscati Hydra Soother Cellulose Mask. This is what it looks like. It's for deep hydration and moisture. Okay, the 6th mask is the Logically Skin Aquatide Soothing and Lifting Mask, and this is what it looks like, and it's also wrinkle reducing, lifting. That's what that looks like. Let's go on. Number 5 is the Jujuran. This is my Sheet Green Tea Calming Mask, and it's this one. Number 4 is the Lebelage Pearl Solution Mask Pack, and this is what it looks like. The 3rd item is the Cheraskin Wrinkle Mask Peptide, which looks like this. The 2nd item is the Bling Pop Aloe Moisturizing and Brightening Mask. And the last item is the Facetory Artemisia Refreshing Relief Mask. And that was all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye!